the camera. He's like, read. Why aren't you reading?
You want to bark? To jump and race?
Wow.
So go to sleep, puppy, and dream away. Tomorrow, you can run and play. Shut your little eyes up tight. You're not shutting your eyes. Good night.
Close your eyes.
So Mr. Moon can say good night. It wasn't a very good bedtime story, was it? I know. That was kind of crappy.
Yeah.
You want to read it backwards?
Ooh.
Let's read it backwards.
That's an advanced skill.
That's a morning book.
Right?
Good morning.
What? I don't know what you want to do. I don't think you do either. That's the problem.
What? You're so